Mrs. Festa's Math Lesson Summary, Unit 6, Expressions and Equations, Lesson 16. Two related quantities, Part 1. Fill in the blanks. The independent variable is used to calculate the value of another variable. Where the dependent variable depends on the value of the independent variable, it is the result of the calculation. Independent variable goes on the bottom or the x-axis of a graph, and the dependent variable goes on the y-axis or the up and down axis. There are 4 tablespoons of sugar for every 5 tablespoons of butter in the recipe. The number of tables of sugar is always what fraction of the number of tablespoons of butter? Well, it's 4 to 5. Think of it as a ratio, so 4/5. Write an equation that describes the relationship between tablespoons of sugar and tablespoons of butter, where B is the independent variable. This would be the sugar, S, equals 4/5 of the butter. Write an equation that describes the relationship between sugar and butter, where sugar is the independent variable. So this would be B equals 5/4 times S. Example 2, create 2 graphs that show the relationship between S and B. Well, notice the first one, sugar is the independent variable, butter is the dependent. So when we make this graph, we're plotting over 4, up 5, over another 4, up another 5. That is the 5/4 S. When we reverse it and make butter the independent and sugar the dependent, our graph becomes 5/4. Over 5, up 4, or S equals 4/5 B. Things to remember. Quantities that are in equivalent ratios can be represented by tables, graphs, or equations. On a graph, the independent variable goes on the x-axis and the dependent variable goes on the y-axis. In an equation, the dependent variable is written alone on one side of the equal sign.